Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.3961 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 1.23%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening here on the charts. From the all-time high, Fantom has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.19 mark, and having done so, I believe Fantom has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice pump to the upper side. And starting my analysis here on the daily charts, here on the daily chart you can see at some point we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upper side. We have also managed to break above key areas of resistances and continued pushing higher. Also taking a look at the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart we also had the formation of a double top, which is a pattern that normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area of that breakout as the height between the tops and the neckline, and that double top was giving us a breakout target area to around the $0.23 mark, but we did not manage to break out of that chart pattern, because as we were having that breakout to the lower side, we found support at around the $0.28 mark, which gave us massive support, and we have continued pushing the price to the upper side. And in that movement to the upper side, we have also been trading within this channel, and this channel has been well respected over here. And you can see in the latest movement we managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.38 mark. We continued pushing even higher to the upper side of the channel, and in my last video I had a key scenario that I expected that we might be able to break out of that channel to the upper side and even continue pushing higher to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.42 mark. And at that point we could either manage to break above that key area of resistance, have a retest and even continue pushing higher, or get rejected at that key area of resistance. And you can see from the moment we managed to break out of that channel to the upper side, we didn't manage to close 4-hour candlestick out of that channel, and since then we have continued trading within the channel. And down here we even touched this key area of support down here, and this brings me to the key scenarios that I expect to play out. It's possible that because we touched that key area of support, it is now giving us support, and it's possible that we might continue pushing even higher, manage to break out of this channel once more, and even get into this key area of resistance at around the $0.42 mark. This time we managed to break above that key area of resistance, also see a retest of this key area of resistance, and in case the retest is a success, then higher prices could be coming our way, and that could push the price of Fantom even higher and take us to around the $0.5 mark. And in case we continue trading within this channel and we lose this key area of support at around the $0.38 mark, then lower prices could be coming our way, because I will expect the price of Fantom to take us to the lower side of the channel. And in case we lose the lower side, we break out of the channel to the lower side, then that movement could take us to around the $0.28 mark, where we have our next key area of support. So those are the key scenarios that I expect to play out here. It's also possible that we might touch the lower side of the channel, then we have a bounce to the upper side and break out of the channel once more. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 55 mark, and that means we have room for us to support any movement to the upper side. And in case we manage to break out of that channel once more, that movement here on the RSI will be supported, and any movement to the lower side here on the RSI will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD you have printed a bearish cross, and that would mean lower prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.